Hi, everybody. I am here in my sit spot, or actually, I should say that my computer is in my sit spot and I'm standing in front of it because I needed somewhere to prop the computer to talk you through today's lesson. So, I have my sit spot observation here, which I will link in the picture into the lesson for you, just like I always do. But I thought it would be a lovely way to share my observation with you by doing it from exactly where I took it. So at the top of my sit spot lesson, or observation page, just like I always do, I have the date 5-4-20, and then I put my title at the top of it, sit spot observation. Then I have my 4 categories that I always include in my sit spot observation, which is how I feel, the weather, things I hear, and things I see. So how I feel. As always, I feel re-energized from being outside. I am glad that I have an opportunity to visit my sit spot. Weather. It's a lovely spring day. Sunny, warm, but still a touch of that cool, trucky air. Things I hear. Wow, the river is raging today. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is pretty high compared to how it had been. It is so loud, I can barely hear anything else. That snow on the mountains is melting fast. And things I see. Yay! There is green on the trees. There are even little yellow dandelions growing in the grass. So I just love seeing the colors of spring come to life. And this yard totally transforms. There are wildfire flowers that grow. My landlord is my neighbor, and he plants all sorts of plants. So it's really cool to watch it all change and transform throughout the spring. So now that I've done my sit spot observation, what I need to do is I need to add to my temperature line graph that I started last week. So where did I put my pen? Uh-oh. I can't do it without my pen. I had it with me. Oh, here it is. Perfect. Okay. So I took the temperature. Today's temperature is 63 degrees. So we started this line graph last week, and today all we're doing to it is adding today's temperature. So if you followed the instructions last week, you should have plotted the dates there on the x-axis to include today, 5-4-20. So all I'm doing now, the date, like I said, the temperature is 63 degrees, is I'm going up from 5-4-20 all the way till about where 63 would be. So that's about right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a dot right there above the date 5-4-20, but over from where 63 degrees would be. Then, once I've done that dot, I take my ruler and I connect the dot from last Monday, 4-27-20, over today to today. So now, on my line graph, you can see the patterns in our weather. It was going up, 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 and now it's kind of like hovering around the same on Mondays. So I'm excited to see what happens next week. I hope you enjoy your time in your sit spot just as much as I enjoyed my time in my sit spot. See you later.